everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to cancel Fifth Third credit card. There are two different ways you will be able to cancel your Fifth Third credit card, so I'm going to show you the most easiest one. First of all, open the web browser of your choice. Go ahead and type in 53.com in the URL box to end up in the official website for Fifth Third. Once you get to the Fifth Third Bank's official webpage, click on the customer service option at the top right corner. This will now open up the customer service FAQs page. On the right hand corner, scroll down and you will be able to see the Call Us tab, from where you can pick a phone number depending upon your account type and make a phone call to the customer service representative. They will be available 24/7 to assist you with cancelling your card. Mention that you'd like to cancel your credit card and be ready to provide any documentation for identity verification. Also ensure you pay off your entire credit card balance before closure. If your card has rewards, redeem any points or miles before closing your account. Make sure to redeem them. Once you finish with the instructions provided to you from the customer service representative, you will be able to cancel your credit card. Another way you can cancel the credit card is by visiting the nearest Fifth Third Bank branch and then speak with a customer service representative that you'd like to cancel your credit card, and they will be able to assist you in person. So that's how you will be able to cancel your Fifth Third credit card in just a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.